Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, long bed, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.